Changed the name from Chainsaw Carving DIY with Mark, if anyone's wondering whether this is the same channel, M.T.S Carvings. So I'm sick of picking the chainsaw up off the floor and putting it down on the floor. So I thought I'd make a chainsaw tree. So you start off with the bar angled up. So you like start cutting into the tree with your bar angled up, so you're on the bottom side of your bar, and as you get your tip in there, start bringing it up slowly. Boom, first one in.
Bending to pick up the chainsaw.
And then the 251C saw has got the stock MS170 bar and chain on it, so I'm just using the MS170 to make that the slot for that one to go into. So angle the bar up using the bottom of the tip of the bar, and then that once the tip's going in, boom, lift up, go follow through. Just take your time. And then I'm gonna get the carving MS170 with the carving bar in there. But I decided to do it in this place, but it put the tree a bit off balance, so it's gonna nearly fall on me in a minute. Ready? Timber! Almost. Change your plant, whack it round the back, balance it up with another stick underneath. Take two. Obviously the tip of this bar hasn't got a sprocket in it, so you can, I shouldn't really just go straight in like that, but you can. It's soft wood anyway. So yeah, that's it. Get yourself a chainsaw tree made. Thanks for watching.